Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Wanted to put out a quick video and just share something that I know is very important. And a lot of people don't look at it, the conversion rates of your listings and of course on your deals. It's very important to run deals. If you're running deals though and they're not converting, you're hurting yourself so much. You shouldn't run any deals until you know what you're doing, and your listing has to be perfect for it to convert. If Amazon is seeing that your listing is not converting, they're gonna not give you that chance again on certain keywords. In the beginning, if you're converting, they're gonna give you every chance in the world. So you gotta send all the right signals to Amazon. Conversion rate is 21%. It's going up, gonna keep going up. Listings with no sales, we don't have any. We make sure all our listings are selling. If the listing isn't selling and we did everything we can, you shouldn't have that listing in your catalog. Amazon is seeing this guy has 100 items in his catalog and only 10 of them are doing well. That's not good. It doesn't look good for you. You want to make sure everything you show Amazon is a home run. If it's not good, get rid of it. Fix it. Try your best. If not, get rid of it. But don't waste time showing Amazon listings that don't have sales. You're hurting yourself. So over here is our conversion rate, 21%. It's going up. We're going to get it as high as possible. And over here, we ran our first deal. Client never ran a deal before. Our conversion rate on deal was 14.3%, which is great, and we're going to get it even higher. You can't have conversion rates on deals that are 2, 3, 4% and think that Amazon likes that. It's not good. You got to show Amazon that whatever you're showing to their customers, they want to buy. Amazon has to want more from you. Wow, everything this guy gives us is gold. They look at the entire catalog. A lot of people don't know that. They look at the entire catalog and they say, wow, everything this guy gives us sells. When you list a new item, it's going to sell very quick. You have to make sure that your listing is properly optimized. A lot of people, they're pushing it with pay-per-click. They want to go spend thousands and thousands of dollars on Pinterest ads and all things like this, which is great. If you have extra money to spend, play around with how you want, but make sure your listing is converting. That's the most important thing. That's how you're going to rank for every keyword. That's how I build listings so strong. It's the most important thing. Yeah, that my rant is over now, and thank you guys for watching. If anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a great day.